Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to create an avatar on WhatsApp from iPhone. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open WhatsApp. Tap Setting. Now tap Avatar. Then tap Create your avatar. Now first choose your skin color. There is variety of skin color. Then tap Next. Now here you need to set your outfit. Then tap Next. Once you are done, you will come to this page where it says Save Changes or More Personalization. So I will tap on More Personalization, and here I can make more changes to my avatar. Like this, you can change body size. Eyewear. You can play with this while creating. Choose what you like, and when you are done, tap on Save Changes. Now here is the avatar. Now you set this as your profile picture for your WhatsApp. So guys, this is how you can create or customize your avatar on your WhatsApp. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.